threat to the election. Attorney General Merrick Garland said he convened the Elections Threats Task Force meeting Monday.
We have seen a dangerous increase in violent threats against public servants, the ones who administer our elections.
Deputy Attorney General Lisa Monaco said tools to make these threats anonymously are becoming more sophisticated. The most disruptive of which is artificial intelligence, emboldening those threatening election workers and...
Come on, Evan, hurry up. Damn.
A number of cases, he said the task force has
Fucking Evan,
pursued after the
fucking takes him
2020 election.
forever to
Multiple
eat.
cases of threats made
Damn,
against
dude.
election workers, specifically in Michigan, Georgia, and Arizona.
Fox's Jessica Rosenthal. America is listening to Fox News.
Hear that? The relaxing sound of ambient music in a yoga class. And you
Oh boy, come on,
people
Evan.
taking a deep breath and think, but you're not here. Because your self-care happens out on the road, riding your motorcycle protected by Progressive. So if you ride, get a quote today and see if you can save with Progressive, America's #1 motorcycle insurer.
Takes him a
Find
fucking
interviews
half
with a
hour.
different pose called Bombs on Handlebars. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company.
Takes him a fucking half
What
hour.
happened to you? Think again. There's a
Oh.
new victim every 3 seconds in the U.S. Over 15 million this year alone, and many don't even
right.
know they're victims. LifeLock alerts you to identity threats and couldn't miss even when you monitor your traffic. Your identity
Okay.
stolen. A dedicated U.S.-based restoration specialist will
Okay, first New Jefferson Market and home.
everyone
This,
can save up to 25% their first year with My Name Clay as the
that
promo code.
first that Jefferson Market, okay, please. Oh yeah.
The three left lanes are blocked. We're backed up from Pacheco Boulevard down 280 San Jose. Slow from the 880-17 interchange all the way to 10th Street and Walnut Creek a crash north 680 before Olympic Road.
This report here is sponsored by Blindster.com.
Hi, I'm Kyle at Blindster.com, and I sell custom blinds designed for do-it-yourself. Unlike stock blinds offered at big box retailers, Blindster blinds are custom made for your windows and shipping is free. Don't hire an expensive pro. Do it yourself and save big at Blindster.com.
Hi, folks. I'm sure by now you've heard about Dr. John Filippini, the Danville Disc Doctor, and his huge success rate with treating chronic neck and back pain. You've probably been told that dangerous drugs, injections, and surgery are your only option. Just because traditional medicine doesn't have the ability to repair damaged joints and discs without surgery, it doesn't mean it can't be done. In fact, there are hundreds of studies and thousands of patient success stories that have proven just the opposite. You're suffering from bulging or herniated discs, sciatica, spinal stenosis, or even bone-on-bone arthritis. You can get 80 to 100% relief in just a few days to a few months. Find out more by going to DanvilleDiscDoctor.com. Call 925-403-4866 to get in on its $39 exam special. Stop suffering. Let this be the year you get your health, your youth, and your life back. See what your options are at DanvilleDiscDoctor.com. Give them a call. 925-403-4866.
To support people and their pets. Whether donating a bag of kibble, sharing an Instagram post of a lost cat, or welcoming a foster pet into your home, every bit of kindness counts. Visit petsandpeopletogether.com. The Humane Society of the United States and the Pet Council. Voice your life game supporting app. Well, life doesn't always give you time to change the outcome. Pre-diabetes does. Make the work Do I have prediabetes.org? Brought to you by the Ad Council and Prediabetes Awareness Program.
impeachment we're making payments. Cut 10, go. I would now like to take on the issue of civilian casualties. From day one in this war, Hamas has provided statistics to global media who have copied and pasted them as if they were coming from a reliable source. Despite our protests, this has continued for nearly 8 months. And it spits in the face of our brave heroes who have paid the ultimate price to fight this just and moral war. It's time to put this to bed. On Friday, Prime Minister Netanyahu revealed our government's assessment on the current civilian casualties.
Yeah, no, I can't turn over there. Like, I have to go around the. Alright. Yeah.
That would not have happened if Hamas hadn't insisted on using their own people as human shields. Unlike Hamas, we don't run to the media with numbers. It's virtually impossible to provide exact figures during the ongoing war. As UN spokesman Farhan yesterday at a press conference, in the fog of war, it's difficult to come up with numbers. Being asked by the United Nations to suddenly halve the number of children allegedly killed. So funny. It's not like that for this on day one. Take it easy, put this shit in the car. We just don't know about it. I asked him if I could get Russia. Hey, breaking my balls. Sorry, frankly. You want a fucking answer? What's so fucking hilarious? You fucking brain. Oh, I'm a fucking captain now. You don't talk to me like that. Come on, guys. Don't put your hands up. For Christ's sake, fuck you. Now, here she is with Tom Cotton. Tom Cotton goes into these battles. He's a very great man, really smart. Actually, he's over there talking. Ronald Reagan. Oh, he went to other than Donald Trump, Ronald Reagan is the second closest strangers to address. The first memorandum of understanding executed between the United States and Israel, which was basically a defense and military arrangement. The revision of weapons, the types of weapons that have never been provided to Israel before. Israel was not in the middle of a war. He would tell the jets, and they gave the jets, and they compared this to Joe Biden. Remember, I told you, Gary, Ronald Reagan was a spy. And now they throw around Reagan's name. Why don't they just admit about the fusion of Marxism and Islamism that's taking place in our regime? And that they don't want Hamas to be defeated. Why don't they just say it? Boring 747. I mean, they're funding Iran, they're funding all our enemies, and they're withholding weapons in violation of the Constitution and counting weapons. Corey Belzman will further explain when he comes on. But listen to this exchange.
Yeah, I can just pull it real back.
Cuba, Venezuela, Russia. You gotta force things like they're Cuba. This is sickening. This is so freaking.
1 second, I'll be 1 minute. Okay?
These
Oh,
are
yeah.
forced behavior changes with the Jews.
Lights go.
Don't they know better? Just because their people were slaughtered, because
Again, the door's on.
executed in Jerusalem.
I need to stop slamming
and of course
doors.
they
I'm so
occupy their
damn sick of
ancestral
it.
homes. We wouldn't say that about Native Americans in our own country, that they're settlers in their own land. Listen to how they talk about the Jews in Israel. Go ahead.
Why do you have a problem with President Biden?
Well, first off,
Jack, my phone.
a better one. I have a better one. From the river to the sea. Here, how about this one? Hamas's leadership must survive. What is your problem, Ronan? What do you have against the state of Israel? And you kept wanting to interrupt Cotton when he's trying to educate you, because you're an ignoramus. You just talk the talking points, Margaret Brennan. And you know they dispute that, and they are still sending weapons. They dispute what? Joe Biden announced it. They're still sending weapons. They're asking for specific weapons to conduct urban warfare to get this war over with and to take out the last remaining 4 battalions, which are their major
Do I have it?
battalions.
Yeah, I do.
They're disputing what?
Why
And then
is
Blinken
this
was
doing
just
that?
on your show before, Tom Cotton. He even became more outrageous. Get out of Gaza, he said. Who the hell is this guy?
I don't know what them down, but that's okay.
Pretty sick. Actually unbelievable, but everything's believable now. And this guy Blinken, I have a better one, Margaret. Maggie, why didn't you say to Blinken, why did you fund October 7th? Why are you sending monies to Iran?